kasama. Hi! Welcome to my YouTube. Say hi.
Madala pa ako bago yun.
Andito lang po tayo sa Saiwan Ho, guys. Punta po tayo sa ano. Mangangapit bahay po ako dito sa Saiwan Ho. Makikikain. Pag-ano po kami ngayon, hot pot tayo dito sa Saiwan Ho. So, later on, I will be going home. And maybe around 10 p.m. like that. This is my first time to come here in Saiwan Ho. And I really like the color because it's color orange. See? It's very... Hi, Inday! So, yan guys siya. So, yan sa baba. Ito po ang ano ng Saiwan Ho, guys. Maganda yung kulay ng ano, guys. Oh, dito sa Saiwan Ho, it's really, really orange. I really love it. So, yan. So, madam, anong exit tayo, madam? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe and like. Ano nitong kasama kong to? Wala siyang alam. And my octopus tooth. I really like the color here. So orange. Okay. My friend will going to top up. Mangangapit bahay po ako sa bahay ng amo niya. Puta po kami doon, magkakain ng ano, ng hot pot daw. So guys, naka-exit na po tayo. So dito, kung kukuha ka ng ticket, dito kukuha, ipindot mo lang yung pupuntahan mo. So we are later on, I will be going home here. There, and so pamasahe ko punta ng Whampoa is $15. If it's going to Tasty is Chimchacho is cancel. We need to cancel first. And then Tasty is how much from Saiwan Ho? It cost me $15 also from Saiwan Ho to Admiralty is $15. And then you're going to put the money here if it is coins. Here if it is notes. Notes here. If it is coins is here. And then you will gonna get your ticket from here. See? Like that. So, okay. We're going, madam? Where? So, here. Exit again? No. Another exit. Oh, no. I like the painting over there. See? You can see there. So, here we're going to exit for... Exit what? Okay. Huh? Here. Saiwan Ho. Oh. Exit B. Video mo nga ako. Welcome to No. Naka-okay? Hindi. Hindi. Welcome to Saiwan Ho, guys. Mga kapatid, dito na po tayo sa bahay ni Noknokinok. Ayan, say hi. Hi daw. So, dito na tayo mag-a-atkat na tayo dito, guys. Nakikikain lang po ako. Nakikikapit bahay. So, yan. Hello? So, yan. So, we're here. Say hi. Hi.
She's a vlogger.
Ayan. Yan guys, ang ganda ng salamin nila. Oh, pagpasok mo sa pinto, ayan. Ang ganda ng salamin guys, para sa kusina. Para kung nagluluto. Guys, inom tayo blue ice. Tandoy ice. I'm going to try the tandoy ice. I never tried this one before, so I'm going to try it guys. Let's try tandoy ice. Oh, it's only mild. Cheers.
Okay? I'm not good in using chopstick. I'm not good in using chopstick.
Friend kayo ni Ate ni.
I'm now going home from Saiwan Ho. Pauwi na po ako. Dito na po ako sa Admiralty. Naghihintay ako ng MTR papuntang Kinshasa. Sumakbo po. So, MTR is coming now. So, uminom ako kami doon ng isang I drink one Tandoy ice. It's my first time to taste Tandoy ice and I think it's nice. It's a bit nice. So, I'm here sa MTR. Burn na nag-burn. Namumula yung mukha ko kasi nainom ako ng isang Tandoy ice at saka isang blue ice.